CR1000A bridge mode dropping internet fix. To start, if your FIOS CR1000A keeps dropping the internet while in bridge mode, open your browser and type 192.168.1.1. Then, log in with your admin credentials, go to Advanced, Network Settings, Bridge Mode, and make sure only one router on your network is handling DHCP. Disable DHCP on the CR1000A if another router is active. Next, check your Ethernet cable connection from an ONT to main router. It should go directly to the WAN port. Finally, reboot both routers to refresh the network link. This stabilizes the bridged setup and prevent random dropouts. So that's it.